Hi everybody, I'm Molly Bragg. As Cal said in this introduction, I'm the partner specialist with the Internet Archive. Today I'm going to talk about our archive of partners, what kind of collections they're building and how that fits in with their collection development strategy, as well as some of the decision making that went into using Archive-It. So, exploring the web, here we go. Just a little background on Internet Archive. It's a nonprofit digital library dedicated to universal access to all knowledge. We've been taking broad snapshots of the web since 1996. People know about this. It's in the Wayback Machine, which is our access tool at archive.org. We also have books, music, moving images, and software, all online free access at archive.org. We began web archiving for partners in 2002. We developed our own crawler, Heritrix. It's an archival quality web crawler. We started archiving for partners with the Library of Congress. We also do big web archiving for the National Archives, the National Library of France, the National Library of Australia, the National Library of Italy, and other libraries around the world. We are a founding member of the International Internet Preservation Consortium. This is a sort of a standards board made up of different international libraries around the world that are trying to develop standards for web archiving. Through them, we're putting our ARC file format, which is our archival record format for websites, through as an ISO work item. Also, we have 85 billion pages in our general collection, and that's over 1 petabyte of data uncompressed. We have a big data center with lots of big red machines. I don't have a picture of it. Archive-It is our archive-on-demand service for smaller memory institutions. As we were working with big institutions like the Library of Congress, we had a lot of smaller institutions like state libraries, state archives come to us wanting the same services. Web crawling, hosting, searchability. So in 2005, we developed Archive-It. The goal of Archive-It is to help memory institutions preserve the web. We do this by providing web-based archiving and storage capabilities to these small institutions. No technical infrastructure is required on the partner side. We become their technical infrastructure. We do the hosting, the searchability, as I said. A lot of them want a copy of their own data, but to be honest, I don't think they know what they're going to do with it. A few of our partners have talked about putting it online, preserving it in their preservation data center, but for now, we're pretty much their main host for this data. So the Archive-It had a pilot phase in 2005 where we had about 9 partners testing the software for free. They archived every day, they broke it every day. And then we launched our production service in February of 2006. So we've been archiving in production for about a year. To date, we have archived over 10 terabytes of data, and we have over 200 searchable collections online. I believe it's 266 by today's count, and something like 120 million pages. If you go to archive.org, we have a little ticker, and it updates every 10 seconds.